What's going on, YouTube? Remote start 2016 Audi SQ5. Mentioned before, Audi HUD, universal traffic recorder, front and rear. Let's close this door. Don't mind my bow tie. Alright, and we also have Android Auto. In addition to this, and yes, my Mark 5, Mark 4, and my Fury. Audi Q7 RSEs, rear entertainments. Decided to upgrade from the Premium Plus to a Premium setup. So now I have window shades. And in the rear, I also added the rear cargo protection and sunshades to complete the customization. And as probably you can see from this angle, the reverse UTR, or the rear one as we call it. Thanks for watching.